Odum, Odum ke Judea, Odum, Odum ke Biafra, Odum, Odum ke Judea, Odum, Odum ke Biafra. Yeshua, Lion of Judea, Yeshua, Great Lion of Biafra. Oh Messiah, Messiah, Lion of Africa. Descend now and rescue my people. Descend now and restore our wasted years. Fight against them that fight against my people. Fight against them, put them to shame that enslave my people. I can never forget in a hurry 1967 to 1970. Fathers were shot dead, mothers in trouble, children were dying. I will never forget in a hurry the brutal hanging of Ogoni men. Or should I forget so soon the bloody mayhem at Odum? Just because of crude oil, United Nations choose to be dumb. What a rape on our existence because of mineral resources. Britain cannot talk. European nation went to sleep. They are all partners in crime. Their stock in crime is crude oil. Hey! Come now, Savior. Odum, Odum, Lion of Judea. Odum, come now, Yeshua, Great Lion of Biafra. Come now, Savior, Lion of Judea. Come now, Yeshua, Great Lion of Biafra. Could learn from their colonial masters is being conduits of slavery. And what the West could learn from their masters is sowing the seed of disunity. They connect with their colonial masters to enslave my people. They conspire with European Union to thief our mineral resources. God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, come and rescue my people. Great Chukwokike Abiyama, come and enthrone our freedom. God of Chukwemeka Ojukwu, we need freedom for Biafra. Great God of Nnamdi Kanu, we need freedom for Biafra. God of IPOB, come and set my people free. Come now, Savior, Lion of Judea. Come now, Yeshua, Great Lion of Biafra. Come now, Savior, we need freedom, Lion of Judea. Come now, Yeshua, we say
Odum ke
Lion of Judea.
Odum ke Biafra.
So we say
Odum ke
Lion of Biafra.